In this video, I'm going to show you how to open zip files on Telegram. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our Telegram and find the necessary zip files we want to open. For example, in this chat, we have zip file. I just sent it a few minutes ago. So all we need to open it is just to simply click on it right up here. And after that, as you can see, we successfully downloaded it into our phone. I have iPhone. You have Android, it doesn't matter basically. So after that, we need to click on share right up here, and then we need to click on save to files. So after that, we can just rename it or just edit with this name. We can just click on save, and then we need to go to files app right up here, and then as you can see, we have the recent here. We can just click on it, and it will be successfully unzipped. So as you can see, it was untitled folder here. So now we can just click on it, and as you can see, it's empty because honestly this archive was empty. But this is a way how you can open zip files on Telegram. All you need is just to download and then just unarchive. I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, hit the like button, write your comment, and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye, guys.